A virus is a microbial organism. Normally, microbes are living beings. Viruses are an exception. They are non living entities. This implies that a virus cannot reproduce by itself. Viruses have to enter another living cell to reproduce. They are microscopic parasites dependent on another living cell. Viruses produce different types of proteins that are harmful to cells of the person whom they infect. They often kill the cells in which they enter. A lot of cell death may actually lead to the death of the organism itself.
There are no specific symptoms for COVID-19. Symptoms are common with other viral infections like fever, cough, usually dry cough, body ache, etc. In common viral infections, this tends to subside in 3 to 4 days, but with COVID-19 infections, it gets worse with escalating fever and respiratory distress.
By testing the RNA isolated from the clinical samples with real-time polymerase chain reaction, also known as RT-PCR method. When the sample is coronavirus positive, the RT-PCR test amplifies specific genes of the virus present in the samples, resulting in peak in the graph shown by the equipment. After certain cycles of reactions known as cutoff. When there is no peak, then the test is negative.
A virus contains DNA or RNA surrounded by a protein coat. The protein protects the genetic material. If this protein coat is destroyed, then the DNA or RNA is exposed and can be damaged to cause death to the virus. That is why, to curb the spread of coronavirus, hand washing with soap is being advised. Soap destroys the protein coat, exposing naked DNA, which is easily damaged to kill the virus.
As of today, we do not have conclusive evidence as to the exact temperatures in which COVID-19 dies. The disease has also occurred in countries which have hot climates. Regions in South Africa, Africa, Southeast Asia have been affected. So, claims of preventing infections by taking hot baths frequently, taking pepper soup, or other methods of heating the body are best not relied upon.
Not immediately. Any viral disease induces a long-term immune response in the body. So at present, the possibility of being reinfected with the same virus after being cured is negligible.
Let us first understand who should be compulsorily wearing a mask. Workers in healthcare facilities who are attending to hundreds of patients with fever and cough need to wear all personal protective equipments, including masks. People who are suffering from fever and cough should wear one if they are going out to public places or shared transport. People often feel that only wearing a mask will prevent infection. This is not so. Wearing a mask, using a mask, and disposing a mask properly is equally important.
The letters of the DNA that code for proteins change naturally and slowly over time. This is natural evolution of a virus. These changes, called mutations, can produce new, sometimes harmful proteins. Some harmful proteins make the virus more virulent. While we are still not sure, it is possible that the coronavirus that caused COVID-19 in China mutated a little and became more virulent in Italy, causing more deaths in Italy. To control the viral disease, we need to adopt some preventive measures. We must be mindful of our personal hygiene by washing hands frequently with soap water and preventing large gatherings of people. Persons infected with the coronavirus can transmit the virus to uninfected persons in close proximity. Transmission of the coronavirus is mostly through droplets that are produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Thus, avoiding gatherings and maintaining personal hygiene by cleaning hands with soap water or alcohol-based hand sanitizer is the best way to prevent the spread of the disease.